Hey there, want to give clients a professional space to view invoices, make payments, and collaborate? The FreshBooks client portal provides secure, 24/7 access and reduces email back and forth. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to use it. The portal is automatically available to every client when you send them their first invoice or estimate. They get an email with a secure link to their personal portal. There, they can view all their documents, approve estimates, pay invoices, and even upload files. You can control what they see and do from your settings. My crucial pro tip: encourage clients to use the portal for file sharing. Instead of emailing large files, ask clients to upload them directly to a project in the portal. This keeps all project communication and assets in one secure, organized place that's linked to their account. That's how you elevate client communication and organization. Do your clients actively use the portal, or do they still prefer email? Share your experience below. For more guides on professional client management, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.